Robert felt something moving in his stomach for months. His regular checkup found nothing unusual. Then on day 2 of this simple morning drink, he experienced unexpected relief. What happened next amazed even his healthcare team. Listen closely. Right now, microscopic invaders may be stealing your nutrients, clouding your thinking, and accelerating aging from the inside. But 3 common kitchen ingredients can help flush them out naturally in 72 hours. This is not about miracle cures. This is about 7 overlooked health issues that many seniors face without realizing the real cause. The 4th one will explain why Sarah's feet went numb. The 5th reveals why John forgot his own grandson's name. The underlying reasons were much simpler than anyone suspected. Issue number 1. Unwanted guests in your system. Here is something rarely discussed in regular health conversations. Research suggests over 60% of adults may harbor various parasites, not in exotic locations, right here in everyday life. These range from common intestinal worms to microscopic organisms that affect your energy and clarity. They can enter through improperly washed produce, undercooked food, or contact with pets. Once inside, they compete for your nutrients, particularly iron, B12, and essential minerals that your body needs to function properly. Robert noticed unexplained weight loss despite normal eating. His digestion felt off. He experienced strange sensations at night. Standard tests often overlook parasitic infections because they are not routinely included in regular health screenings. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound with documented antiparasitic properties. Multiple studies have shown eugenol can naturally support your body's ability to address various unwanted organisms. The research on this natural compound has been fascinating scientists for decades. Lemon citric acid helps create an environment less favorable for these organisms. This natural acidity makes it harder for them to thrive. The vitamin C supports your intestinal health naturally. Here is the simple method. Warm 1 cup of water to comfortable drinking temperature. Add 3 whole cloves and let them steep for 5 minutes. Squeeze in half a fresh lemon. Drink this slowly on an empty stomach. The gentle warmth helps with absorption while the active compounds go to work. By day 2, Robert experienced dramatic changes. By day 3, his energy improved noticeably. His digestive comfort returned. He had been unknowingly sharing his nutrients for years. Issue number 2. Blood that flows. Too slowly. Your blood consistency changes naturally with age. After 60, it tends to become thicker. Dehydration compounds this. Extended sitting makes it worse. The result is sluggish circulation that affects every organ in your body. Research shows many seniors have circulation issues they are unaware of. These do not always cause immediate problems. Instead, they gradually reduce oxygen delivery to tissues. Your brain feels foggy. Your heart works harder. Your extremities feel cold. Many attribute this to normal aging when it is actually related to blood consistency. Clove water contains compounds that naturally support healthy blood flow. Eugenol has been studied extensively for its effects on circulation. Research suggests it helps maintain normal blood flow patterns while being gentle on your stomach, unlike some other options. Lemon adds citric acid, which studies indicate can support your body's natural ability to maintain healthy blood consistency. Together, these ingredients work synergistically to support circulation. After your morning drink, take a gentle 10-minute walk. This combination of natural compounds plus light movement supports healthy circulation throughout the day. Notice how your extremities feel warmer. Your breathing becomes easier. Your energy improves as oxygen reaches every cell more efficiently. If you're finding this helpful for you or a loved one, please click the like button so this information can reach more seniors who might need it. Issue number 3. When your liver needs support. Fatty liver concerns affect 1 in 3 adults over 60, often without obvious symptoms. Your liver processes everything you consume, filters toxins, and produces vital compounds. When it accumulates excess fat, these functions slow down significantly. This condition can result from dietary choices, certain medications, or metabolic changes over time. A struggling liver affects energy, digestion, and overall wellness. Yet it rarely causes pain, so many people are unaware of the issue. Cloves naturally stimulate bile production, which helps your liver process fats more efficiently. Lemon, particularly the peel, contains D-limonene, a compound that research has shown to support liver health naturally. For enhanced liver support, consider adding a small amount of organic lemon peel to your drink. Just a quarter teaspoon of grated peel provides concentrated beneficial compounds. This combination supports your liver's remarkable regenerative capacity. Notice these positive changes. Morning freshness improves, energy levels stabilize, digestive comfort increases, and that heavy feeling after meals diminishes. These are signs your liver is functioning better. Issue number 4. When your feet lose sensation. Sarah experienced persistent tingling in her feet. Not complete numbness, but constant pins and needles that never stopped. Multiple tests showed normal blood sugar. The real issue was simpler yet concerning. Reduced circulation affects nerve health, especially in extremities. Your feet, being farthest from your heart, often show symptoms first. Nerves need consistent oxygen and nutrients. Without adequate blood flow, they send distress signals through tingling, burning, or numbness. Cloves provide manganese, an essential mineral for nerve protection. 1 teaspoon contains about 30% of your daily requirement. But minerals need good circulation to reach where they are needed most. The compounds in cloves help blood vessels function more flexibly. Lemon's vitamin C supports vessel wall integrity. Together, they help restore circulation to areas that need it most. Sarah added a simple step. After drinking her morning mixture, she soaked her feet in warm water with a few cloves for 10 minutes. This allowed absorption through the skin. The tingling decreased by day 3. By day 5, normal sensation returned to her toes. The nerves were not permanently damaged, just undernourished. The longer nerve issues persist, the more challenging they become to address. Supporting circulation and nerve health early makes a significant difference. I would love to hear from you personally. Please leave a comment below and let me know how old you are and which part of the world you are watching from. I make it a point to read and reply to every single comment because your health journey matters to me. Issue number 5. When mental clarity becomes clouded. John, at 70, experienced a frightening moment at his grandson's birthday. He could not recall the child's name for several long minutes. His family worried about serious cognitive decline. The reality was different and more addressable. Your brain has a protective barrier that filters what enters from your bloodstream. With age, this barrier can become less selective. Environmental compounds and metabolic byproducts can accumulate, affecting mental clarity and memory. This does not necessarily mean permanent decline. Often, supporting your body's natural cleansing processes can help restore mental sharpness. Eugenol from cloves has been studied for its ability to support brain health. Research indicates it acts as an antioxidant in neural tissue. Lemon citric acid supports your body's natural ability to process and eliminate unwanted compounds through normal kidney function. John added deep breathing exercises after his morning drink. 5 minutes of intentional breathing helps cerebrospinal fluid circulation, your brain's natural cleaning system. This simple addition made a noticeable difference. Within days, his mental fog lifted, clear thinking returned. He not only remembered names easily, but also recalled details from years past. His cognitive function improved significantly with this simple daily routine. Issue number 6. Mineral absorption and bone health. You take calcium supplements faithfully. You consume dairy products regularly. Yet bone density concerns persist. The issue is not calcium intake, but absorption. Your intestines have tiny structures that grab nutrients and pull them into your bloodstream. Years of processed foods, medications, and other factors can affect these structures. Without proper absorption, minerals pass through unused. Additionally, imbalanced gut bacteria can create a coating that interferes with nutrient absorption. You could consume plenty of minerals, but without proper absorption, they provide little benefit. Cloves contain compounds that support a healthy intestinal environment. This helps your body absorb minerals more effectively. The manganese in cloves is particularly important for bone health, as it helps create the framework where calcium attaches. Lemon changes your intestinal environment in a way that favors beneficial bacteria. This supports better mineral absorption overall. When your digestive system works properly, your bones finally get the nutrients they need. Drink your clove lemon water 30 minutes before breakfast. This prepares your intestines for optimal nutrient absorption. You may notice joint comfort improving as proper minerals reach cartilage. This is your body utilizing nutrients effectively again. Issue number 7. When your heart works too hard. You get winded walking short distances. Climbing stairs feels challenging. You might think this is just part of getting older. Actually, your heart may be working harder than necessary. When blood becomes thicker with age, every heartbeat requires more effort to circulate it through your vessels. Your heart muscle exhausts itself trying to deliver oxygen to tissues. Imagine the difference between pumping water versus honey through pipes. Cloves contain phenolic compounds that research shows can support healthy blood flow. These natural compounds help maintain normal blood consistency. Lemon adds potassium, an essential mineral for heart rhythm. Many seniors do not get enough potassium in their diet. After drinking your mixture, take 6 deep breaths. This creates gentle pressure changes in your chest that support your heart's natural pumping action. Combined with the drink's benefits, this helps reduce the workload on your heart. Notice how breathing feels easier within days. Walking requires less effort. You can climb stairs with more comfort. Your heart muscle, which has remarkable recovery ability, begins working more efficiently when given proper support. Now here is the complete morning routine that brings everything together. Heat 1 cup of water to comfortable temperature. Steep 3 whole cloves for 5 minutes. Add juice from half a lemon. For extra liver support, add a 1/4 teaspoon of organic lemon peel. Drink slowly over 5 minutes, then wait 30 minutes before eating. Important considerations. If you take blood-thinning medications, consult your healthcare provider and consider starting with just 1 clove. Some people may experience temporary digestive changes on day 1 as your body adjusts. This typically passes quickly. Always use whole cloves rather than concentrated oil, which can be too strong. After 3 days, you have begun an important process. Continue twice weekly for maintenance. Robert found relief from digestive issues. Sarah's feet regained sensation. John's mental clarity returned. These simple ingredients, costing just pennies per day, supported their body's natural healing processes. Your body has remarkable recuperative abilities when given proper support. Tomorrow morning, you could start this simple routine. The choice is yours, and your health is worth this small daily investment.